Welcome to the AlmighTees channel. In this week's episode, we've got a new piece of equipment in the shop and we want to show you what that is and leave a review. But first, before we do, would you consider subscribing to the channel? And if you do, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever we upload a new video. Without further ado, on to the rest of the video. First remind you that I did pay a little over $150 including shipping for this heat press. So if you are a crafter or you're looking for something for light use or even doing what we did where we just bought it as a backup, it's perfect. The one thing that this heat press is not, it is not a commercial press by any stretch of the imagination and should be treated as such. Okay, we've got the on-off switch. We'll go ahead and turn that bad boy on. It's going to start heating up. Right here we have our setup, and that's how you toggle between your temperature, but you use that to go up, that to go down. I'm going to leave it at 310, and then you hit it again, and that tells you your time. I think 15 seconds is a good temperature. So we're ready to go. All we have to do is just let it heat up, and then we're going to press it and see what happens. Okay, let's try this out. One thing about it is when you swing it away, it is a little, all that part of the press being over there will kind of make it a little off balance. And so you saw we installed the feet on the bottom of the press. They're kind of like, they're not kind of like, they are suction cups. I would recommend putting this on a table that those suction cups will adhere to kind of stabilize it. The base isn't that heavy. We're going to go ahead. This is a manual start, so once you press it, you've got to start the timer, and that will start the countdown. And once the timer goes off, let this cool for just a second. Find it a nice quick pull yields a better result than trying to peel it slowly. We're going to do a post press. Start it again. You only have to do post press for 5 to 10 seconds. I leave it on there just to be assured that it is definitely sealing that to the shirt. Transferring is proper. And there we have it. I need to take off a little pressure. Now I'm using that pillow. Oh, nice one. Let's see what happens this time on a bigger print, bigger transfer. this goes. Woo! Teflon sheet. Let's give it a little post press. At least 10 seconds. All right. There we have it. The Vevor 15 by 15 heat press machine. For my final thoughts, I'm going to rate in 4 areas on a scale of 1 to 10 my thoughts on this heat press. Build quality, I'm going to give it a 4. It's made with a lot of plastic. It's not really solid. It has a lot of wiggles and shakes when you use it, so just be aware. Ease of use, I'm going to give it an 8. It is extremely easy to use. All the buttons on the control panel are self-explanatory. Price, I'm also going to give it an 8. You can't beat a $150 heat press. A commercial grade is going to cost you into the hundreds, possibly the thousands. Assembly, very, very easy to put together. It's actually partially assembled by the time you receive it, and all you have to do once you get it out of the box is just do some very light assembly, and you're up and running. Overall, I'm going to give this heat press a 6. The Vevor 15 by 15 swing away heat press. I hope you found today's video helpful and informative. If you did, would you mind giving it a thumbs up? Maybe even leave a comment. Keep your eyes and ears open for future content. And as always, that is if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.